Hello, this is Tim at Truphae, and I have a special pen to show you today. It's unique and it's exclusive. Let's find out what it is. I'm going to show you today an exclusive edition of an old friend. And by the way, I know there is a significant difference of opinion over how to pronounce the name of this pen. My thinking is that since the pen is constructed from light aluminum instead of the hardened plastic used by its sibling, my pronunciation makes more sense. You can let me know in the comments below what you think. So, what am I talking about? It's a very special edition of the LAMY AL Star. This special edition AL Star is the first ever North American retailer exclusive LAMY, and everyone here at Truphae is excited to have it. The LX Black Gold is inspired by the now discontinued Gold LX while incorporating the hardware from the Safari Charcoal. You will not find another combination like this anywhere in North America. The best part is that this pen includes the black anodized LX nib. LAMY steel nibs are always good writers, but the anodized coating adds a special smoothness that takes the already good nib up to a higher level. And it will come with its own carrying tube, so you can keep the finish flawless. This is a limited production of just 1,000 pieces and is the only one of its kind to offer the LX nib and packaging along with the contrasting trim colors. The LAMY LX fountain pen features a body made of double anodized aluminum, a translucent gray triangular grip section so you can see the workings of the feed, and an interchangeable steel nib. So why an AL Star LX? Well, there are a lot of subtle details on the LX that are enhancements over a similar AL Star model. On this one, that includes matching flat black accents on the finial and matching clip. There's a glossy LAMY logo on the barrel and some special laser engraving on the nib. Importantly, this black anodized LX steel nib is as easily swappable as LAMY's other steel nibs. This beautiful pen comes with an equally gorgeous matching anodized aluminum pen case. It also comes with a blue LAMY ink cartridge so you can get started writing right away. If you'd prefer to use bottled fountain pen ink, the LAMY Z28 converter is available as an additional purchase. As I mentioned earlier, all LAMY steel nibs are good writers. I love all of mine, but the LX writing experience is even better. An anodized coating seems such a small detail, but the difference it makes is worth experiencing. If you already own one or several AL Star pens, then writing with an LX nib is something you should try. And if you already have an LX nib, then this Truphae exclusive could be a worthy and rare addition to your writing instrument collection. And of course, if you've never tried or owned a LAMY Safari or AL Star, this pen is a great way to introduce yourself to what LAMY claims is the best-selling pen of its class in the world. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video today and learn more about the North American exclusive LAMY AL Star Black Gold. It's available on our website, along with the Z28 converter if you'd like that, and many, many other writing instruments. It's a beautiful pen, one that is worth a really, really close look. So again, thank you for the time today. If you liked the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so that you'll know when we publish new videos. It's always a pleasure to spend the time. Remember, happy writing and be Inkredible.